Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I ain't like pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow,
Yan ang nakahabol, kuya. Pero mo, napilay na kakahabol.
Oh, naka-video ka. Alam dito ka.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You can flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. When you feel low, you can still go. Go when you feel slow, you can still go. Go when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes. Taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great. Popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day.
Yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa papunta tayo ng Kuhua Pond, no? Dadaan tayo sa trail. Yan. Medyo maulan, unexpected rain. Yan yung kapaligiran natin. Unexpected rain tayo. Yan. So ingat-ingat lang tayo, no? Alright. As you can see, oh. Grabe. Wala na sila, no? Wala na sila. May trail, dadaan tayo sa trail. Ito yung papunta ng Kuhua Pond. Ayan guys, 4 na gwapo. Kuhua Pond kahit naulan. Sinchu, hindi naman naulan eh. Tapos pagdating namin dito, biglang umulan, oh. Ayan guys, narating na natin ang Kuhua Pond. Dito na tayo sa Kuhua Pond. Miyauli, miyauli. Ano, may konting trail pero sulit. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Gaano kaganda, oh. Grabe, oh. Wow, may tao pala, oh. Check wa. Meron kami, oh. Ayun, oh. Grabe, oh. Ganda, oh. Oo. Ang ganda sana kung mainit, no? Ayan, no? Diyan nang gagaling yung tubig. O ba? Tapos meron doon. No? Wala signal, pre, no?
Ang alaala ni Burno.
Next, tatry namin bumaba. Tingnan natin kung maubra.
Eyewitness.
Eyewitness. Grabe, panalo. Oo, naulan eh. Ganda sana kaso hindi tayo makakaligo eh. Hindi tayo makakaligo.
Bakit? Hindi ko yan?
Nakakatakot eh.
Oh, iligo ka?
Alam ko doon ang daan kuya oh. Saan kaya daanan na ito? Doon guys, hindi kami makaligo, hindi namin makikita yung daanan. Pababa. Talon now, daanan later. Pwede kaya yun?
Ganda, pre.
Kuhuwapan.
Kuwapan.
Yung. Panalo sana kaso walang daanan guys eh. Hindi namin alam pag tumalong kami sa kami dadaan pabalik eh. Oh, grabe.
Ganda ko pala.
Yun, sunod na, wala.
Ha?
Sunod na rin.
Hindi ka ba mailigo?
Sige.
Ikaw, Paul.
Lamig no, lamig. Huwag dyan, madulas dyan. Gusto dinaanan niya. Woo! Lamig. Oh!